Your camera is displaying an annoying black screen on Windows 11 or Windows 10, fear not, we have got the solution. In today's video, we will guide you through troubleshooting steps to get your camera back in action. Don't let a black screen ruin your virtual meetings or content creation. To fix a camera showing only a black screen on Windows 11 or 10, Step 1. Check camera privacy settings. Ensure camera access is allowed in settings, then privacy, then camera. Step 2. Update camera drivers. In Device Manager, update the camera driver under cameras or imaging devices. Step 3. Check app permissions. Confirm camera permissions for the specific app in settings, then privacy, then camera. Step 4. Restart camera app. Close and reopen the camera app. Step 5. Restart computer. A simple restart may resolve the issue. Step 6. Disable and enable camera. In Device Manager, disable and then enable the camera.